Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great as-is trade-in value from Parkway RV Center. Folks, who doesn't love a cheap toy hauler? Today we're going to look at a 2005 Salem Sport LE. This is by Forest River. It's about a 32-foot toy hauler travel trailer. Now, we are selling it as is, so this was a trade-in. You know, and I'm going to tell you, the guy said everything worked on it, but so does everybody else that trades something in. I don't mind when we sell it or when you come to look at it. I don't mind running a power cord down here and letting you see what works and what doesn't. But where I've got it priced, I can't afford to have my techs go through it and do their checkout. So, you know, you take the good with any potential bad. And this is actually, besides the exterior paint being a little edgy, inside's nice. And it's a toy hauler. I see fresh seal on the roof. That means they've kept it maintained. So there's a lot of good signs saying this is a pretty good deal right here. 2005 Salem LE, got the rear ramp door, got a 10x8 garage bay, weighs approximately 7,500 pounds. It's a 29 FBSRV, if you want to look up the model number. It's got an awning. At least from here it looks good. I can't guarantee that, but at least from the outside it looks good. It's got outside speakers, tires look good. Rear ramp door looks good. You know, paint on the front could probably be a little edgy, but you know what? It's not priced to be a $40,000 or $50,000 used toy hauler. And be honest with you, folks, $59.95, you can't buy much of anything for that anywhere else. You go to a big corporate dealer and ask them for a $59.95 toy hauler, they're going to sell you just a little 8-foot lawnmower trailer and put a 10 on top of it for you. Because that's all you're going to get for that price pretty much anywhere else in a toy hauler. And, I mean, it's hard to find a pop-up for what you can buy this one for. Got the generator compartment so you can add one if you want to. Outside on the sides here look great. Even the striping and finish looks great. Got the stabilizer jacks, of course. I've kind of got it jammed in the corner here. There's a rear ramp door. Looks good. Oh gosh, let's go around here, see if we can squeeze through here. Oh, by the way, those of you who follow my channel, here's a little sneak peek about the future of Parkway RV that's coming. So this has been a project for the last few years, and we're getting closer and closer to connecting everything and having a huge, because that goes all the way around, huge dealership. Even bigger than what we have now. But anyway, let's look inside, and I hope my battery box is still charged, and it's not, folks. It's going to be a little dark in here, and I apologize for that. I've shot 3 videos on one charge on my jump box, and it just could not take it, this last one. So I'm going to try to show it to you the best I can in this low light. Front Queen Island bed. Carpet looks immaculate. And you can see I got a little bit of juice left in the box. But everything's solid. I don't see anything to concern you. In fact, the inside of this thing is as nice as some of those $25,000 toy haulers I've got for sale. It's clean. Got a curtain there. Got a side bathroom. Yep, there goes my battery. Y'all forgive the beeping. That's the propane detector's low voltage warning. Anyway, look at that skylight. I mean, the roof in this thing looks great. So they've added a little rack right here on the corner. Not bad. Got a table booth that makes a bed. A place for a TV there in the corner. It doesn't have a mattress up there, but you do have a loft that you can put an air mattress up there, have an extra sleeping area. Two-way RV refrigerator freezer. The countertops look good, nothing swollen. Floor's good and solid. I mean, this is a solid old camper for the money. You've got a separate garage bay This is a 10 by 8 garage bay. That beeping will drive you crazy. Got a fold down screen. And everything in here looks great. You got your own entry door from the outside. The floor looks good. There's a couple little scuff marks on the sides, of course, where people loaded stuff in and out over the years, but that's to be expected. Like I said, guys, it's a $59.95 toy hauler. And inside, it's not smoked up. You know, I always look for that, especially on these less inexpensive travel trailers. This has not been smoked in that I can tell. It's got the J-track floor. You know what this would be a cool project for? This would be a cool project if somebody ever wanted to customize their own camper. You could buy something like this. You've got this big garage bay right here to do whatever you want with it. Haul toys in it. Make you a mobile garage back here, a mobile workshop. I know a lot of people are living in RVs now, so you got your own 10 by 8 storage building you can carry with you. Or you can put you in some more living quarters back here. You can put you another lounge back here. Make it into the ultimate tailgate machine. Put you a big screen TV back here, or a big HD TV back here. Put the tailgate down with a screen up on game days and NASCAR races and sporting events, and have a really cool hangout spot back here. I mean, so many things you can do with this trailer for the price that I'm selling it for. Or you can use it just like it is. But like I said, folks, I'm not claiming I know what works and what doesn't, but I don't. Looks like it's got a lot newer Dometic air conditioner, so I'm going to assume that air is pretty new, so I'm going to assume it works, but I can't guarantee it. And I'm not hiding anything, folks. I mean, this is just what it is. And if you're interested in this camper, you know, if you'll call us ahead of time, I'll get one of my lot porters to run a cord down here to it, plug it into power, and I'll just let you go through it, turn on what you want to turn on, see what works, what doesn't. I don't know. I have no idea, and neither does anybody else at the dealership know what works and what doesn't. So, you know, I've got a lot of used toy haulers right now, but folks, $59.95 is that's pretty impressive. Floor looks good. Ceiling panels look good. Bathroom looks good. No soft spots anywhere that I can find. $59.95, haggle-free firm, as is. Hook to your vehicle and go. Now, if you do want to check out, I can't do it for that $59.95. I will do it, but it's going to cost you a little bit more money. Ask your salesperson to give you a checked out price, but $59.95, hook and book. You know, I've got safety equipment if you need it. Contact my sales team for a quote if you need distribution bars, sway bars. I don't know what kind of vehicle you're towing with. This camper weighs 7,500 pounds roughly dry weight before you add anything to it. And let's see if I can read the cargo carrying capacity if it's not too dark in here. Looks like approximately, boy, I can hardly read that. Looks like approximately 3,400 pound cargo carrying capacity. So you got a lot to work with here. Put you a queen bed up there, maybe even a king bed. I don't have the exact measurements for that loft bed. Get you an air mattress or just order you a custom mattress, however you want to do it if you need it. But anyway, folks, $59.95 while it lasts. If you're interested in this toy hauler, you need to call before coming to make sure it's available. 706-965-7929 is our phone number. You can email us, sales@parkwayrvcenter.com. Of course, if you're interested in this, I'll have, if you want to see other toy haulers, I have quite a few actually on my website. Go to my website, parkwayrvcenter.com, click on toy haulers. Or if you're watching this video on YouTube, like most of you are, go to the video description below. In the first paragraph, there will be a link to our used toy hauler page on our website. Click on that link, take you right to it. And I'll have all the important information that I can find. If there's a factory sales brochure still floating around on the internet for this one, I'll have it on the side. I'll have any weights and measurements that I can find. I'll put all the information, even though it's an as-is less expensive unit, I'll have as much information on the website, way more than what's on the videos, I can possibly find. So make sure you check it out on the website, parkwayrvcenter.com, or click on the link below if you're watching this on YouTube. 10 by 8 separate garage, loft bed. It can sleep 6 if you utilize a loft bed, or sleep 4 just like it is. Got a comfortable mattress up here in the front bed. I think this is a deal, folks. It really is. It's not going to last long. I'm not going to haggle. I'm not going to negotiate. I have no extra fees. It's $59.95 plus applicable sales tax. That's it. There's no dock fees, no prep fees, freight fees, none of that nonsense. Some of these dealers, I had a customer the other day come in, and another dealer they went to, big corporate dealer, tried to charge her over $3,200 in fees. That's more than half the price of this unit just in after-sales fees. Don't go for that scam, folks. Don't pay them. Walk out. Go somewhere else and buy. If they try to charge you anything besides sales tax and the sales price, walk out. It's a scam. And you know, this way I look at it. If they're trying to scam you on that, what else are they trying to get you on that you don't realize? I don't know if you can see it or not. Stove eyes don't look like they've ever been lit. Heck, that thing looks brand new, actually. It's a buy, folks. It really is. It's not worn out. It's like it's got a new air. Look, stovetop. I don't know if that is new or not, but it looks like it. You know, folks, it's not perfect. It's $59.95, but be honest with you, this greatly exceeds my personal expectations for this price. And I think it will you too once you look at it. But thank you for watching, folks. Give us a call before coming to verify availability, of course. Limited financing is available, but keep in mind this thing's priced. And I highly recommend on this little amount of money, or it's a little amount of money when it comes to used RVs, is contact your local bank, credit union, or finance company. Talk to them about getting a loan on this camper, or getting a personal loan or signature loan, because it's interest rate on $6,000 isn't going to make $3 or $4 a month difference on your payment. And with a personal loan, you don't have to carry full coverage insurance because you're not using the camper as collateral. If you got any questions, folks, give us a call. We do take trade-ins, obviously. Thank you for watching, and look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.